Los Angeles, Java 13 Central. 5 George K.
5 George K.
5 George K. 496 Broadway between Boone and Stone.
10-4.
1 Scooter Pursuit. More than one Scooter, Broadway.
So I was thinking, what should I do this evening? I could puff a fucking blunt, I could go out drinking, but I'm already drunk and my trunk's full of weed and I reek like skunk and the phone keeps ringing. What? Oh, it's Mr. Christopher Walken calling, talking about he's coming down now to solve all my problems, about how he's bringing the volume of speed so strong it probably made me think I'm gone and fucking vanished, and managed to land on a planet where every minute seems speaking scrambled Spanish, and where every damn piece of my sanity's damaged with each and every milligram filling my hand up. Well damn it, I couldn't plan it better myself. I told him roll the fuck over, get to spreading the wealth. I shrugged my shoulders, stood up to steady myself, hung the phone up, then went to go get ready for hell, 'cause yo dog, when I really
Hochschule der Medien. Your way to success.
What you wanna do? I'm right in front of you. Got a place backstage that's ready for two, where we can get a grind on. Do the things you don't dare to do with the lights on. J-J-J-O, you know the rest, so come on, bring it to me, I'ma give it to ya, girl, let's go. I'm gonna get mine, you're gonna get yours. Damn, you look good and I wanna take off. If you like to, if you don't mind, let us sneak out the back door, leave it all behind. You and me when I want, gonna give you what you want. Just tell me when it's on, then it's on. Then I felt sudden